Let's learn colors with the PlanToys Beehive. We'll put the bees back in their hives using these tongs. Let's get started. Our first bee is the color red. We'll put it in the red beehive. Our next bee is the color green. Let's put it in the green beehive. This bee is the color purple. It goes in the purple beehive. What color is this bee? It's yellow. We'll put the yellow bee in the yellow beehive. Our next bee is the color blue. Let's put it in the blue beehive. Our last bee is the color orange. Let's put it in the orange beehive. And we're done. Thanks for learning colors with me today using the PlanToys Beehive. Bye!
Yellow.
What color is that one?
Orange.
Good job.